Icom IC-91AD. Clean, clean, clean. There's not a scratch on the display that I can see. Very nice handheld radio. I'm about 30 miles from the repeater. I'm fixing to call up, see what happens. N50MK, Alpha Golf 5, November Delta. Whoops. I guess better turn my volume up. Alpha Golf 5.
Okay, Alan, you got a copy?
Yeah, man, I do. I accidentally changed, I had my volume all the way down. How's this sound?
Audio sounds good. It's a little weak into the repeater. There's some white noise underneath of it, but the audio sounds good.
Well, I'm on an HT standing on the deck out back, and I'm 30 miles from the repeater, so I think it's doing pretty good.
Oh, yeah, well, that explains that. It is doing a good job.
It's about 25 here. How is it at your house?
What now?
It's about 25 degrees out here. What is it at your house?
Oh, it's a balmy 73 indoors.
All right, balmy 73. We can work with that. All right, well, I just wanted to get a quick video of this radio being fully operational. Thank you very much, Steve. N50MK, AG5ND, 73, my friend.
All right, whatever kind of handy-talkie it is, it's doing a great job. Yeah, I think it's about freezing out. I think it's about 32 here. So, yeah, it's definitely wintertime in Starkville. But, yeah, radio sounds good, Alan. And, man, good to talk to you, AG5ND and 50MK.
Yeah, I guess I should have told you what this is. It's an Icom, a 91AD, 91AD, which is a D-Star and analog. All right, man. N50MK, AG5ND, 73, buddy. And I'll be clear.
Icom sounding good, Alan. AG5ND and 50MK, and I'll be standing by.
All right, that repeater is 30 miles away. It's a good one. It's on a nice tower. But we're surrounded by 41 acres of pine trees. They soak up a lot of signal. But we're still hitting the repeater from here with this one little, smaller than my hand. It's one little tiny Icom, IC-91AD. And the power button is right here. How cool is that? Let's turn it back on. It wakes up, and there we are.